This is the map of Bali. This is the dart. I'm here with Max from Max Takes on the World, and wherever this dart lands, we're gonna travel to. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here we have the full map of Bali. The cool thing about it is like we can have a lot of places around here, but we have no idea where the dart is gonna land. So if we end up like all the way over here or far in this direction, it can take us like easily 3-4 hours to go there. So we have to get started. Okay guys, so I'm not joining a gang, I'm not joining a cult. This is my blindfold. So let's get started. Woo! Okay guys, I totally overshot that one. We're currently looking for it in the bushes. It went like over here somewhere. Look at that, Max has found a dart. We're going in for round 2. Okay, your boy Max is up.
It is my turn to throw the dart now.
Yeah, so the funny thing is yesterday we went to a bar just to practice darts, and you can clearly see by that throw how much that helped. So yeah, even though we
hit bullseyes like every time, and like, yeah, let's do this.
Here we are, all right.
Oh, did we hit it?
No.
Oh, okay.
We hit the tourist map logo. Okay.
Okay, third time is the charm. Ole, you're up.
All right, guys. Third time is the charm. Let's go.
Third time's charm.
This direction.
Straight ahead, sir. Yeah, we got a place here. It's in between places.
Okay, guys. Look at this place. We are heading here somewhere to the west. So let's actually have a closer look like where exactly this could be. Here we have Mangisan and Papua. So it looks like we're going a little bit into the bush or into the mountains. So that's gonna be exciting. Okay guys, we have found the location we're heading to, the first one. We're probably gonna take quite a few stops on the way because it's already 2 hours away. So let us get this day started. We are fresh and we are ready for adventure. After heading out on our 2-hour journey west, we were getting close to our destination, but we wanted to stop to grab some food, and then we found this gem of a place. Let's see if they got some good food in. Wow guys, look at this. All of this food, 40,000 Indonesian rupiah, and best of all, look at this. There we go. We're gonna try out some fried mushroom right here. Oh, so nice and crunchy. So I'm actually really happy that we ended up stopping here, because there's another place that I did on my West Bali trip that is like one of my favorite places to eat till this day, but this is also like really damn close. And the fact that you can get like this amount of food for this amount of money is like just insane. It's clear that we're outside of Canggu, we're outside of the tourist areas. This is why I love going to where the locals are eating. Okay guys, I'm back on the bike. I'm noticing right now I am getting sunburned as a mother effer right now, so I need to get some sunblock on as soon as possible. So that is my next mission, but let us move in the direction of the first spot because we are almost there. Okay guys, so here's my logic. First I get sunburned, get a little spray tan layer, and then I buy sunblock. Oh well. I'm gonna put it on anyways. We're in the middle of nowhere in a papaya farm.
Some would call this papaya farm. I would call it paradise.
You see Max running off with like his arms full.
Bro, papaya smoothie slaps.
That's it. And the best thing about traveling to some random places is that Google Maps will take you through some pretty random places. Oh my god guys, where are we going? This place is so beautiful. Look at this. This is definitely one of those adventures when we're going out there. My God. Ah, come on, come on, come on, let's go! Bugs! Oh, these are some steep hills. Okay, Google Maps. Let's take it easy now. It's getting crazy. Okay, so how did we end up here, Max?
We threw a dart on a map a couple hours ago and we made it.
This is steep. Oh my God, look at this shit. Like, imagine if it was raining and this was like wet.
Oh, we'd be F-U-C-K.
F-U-C-K-E-A-D. Woo! Let's go! This is the most intense cartoon. What is this place? Where are we? Got a little river here. So, well, we are in the part where we can find the king cobra now, so.
You literally read my mind. I was like, well, this looks like West Bali.
Yeah, because we are, and we've been talking a lot about like finding snakes around here, and would you look at that, we ended up in West Bali.
Who needs a guide?
Yeah. Fuck, this is so steep, guys. You feeling ready, Max?
Just about as ready as I'll be.
Okay, wish me luck, Max.
Good luck.
Let's do it. Let's go! Yeah! Fuck, we did it! This is why I got the Vario 160 and not the 125. So worth it! Let's see if Max can make it. I hope so. Uh-oh. He's not here. Shit. What do I do? Max! Oh! Yes! Let's fucking go! Was that close?
Oh man, I had to like, my bike's not strong enough, so I had to kind of like.
You had to use your legs?
Yeah.
Fuck. Wow. Okay, let's continue on. Here we are. How are you going? We're kind of standing in the way. There's a car. What a ride that was.
Oh, I feel like Clint Eastwood getting off a horse.
Oh my God, look at this. We're here now at Bunut Bolong. We're at the tree now where you can drive through, and we are really close to where our destination is, so I thought we'd just take a little detour and like tour back to where the actual dart landed. So here we are. Let's get some refreshments. Hi guys, check this out. Here we are at Bunut Bolong, which is a beautiful holy tree, as you can see on these wrappings right here, and they have temples all around this place. So here it is. I don't know what else to say. It's a tree you can drive through. I've seen it a few times and I've been wanting to go here, so I finally got around to do it. And yeah, it's been on my list for a while, and yeah, let's have a little look. Okay, so there was a bit of a misunderstanding. I don't drink coffee, but we got 2 coffees, so I'm gonna try some Bali coffee, which is a new experience. So after drinking this incredibly strong coffee, we woke up to the reality that we were far up into the mountains, overlooking this beautiful, beautiful landscape. I can't believe Like it was so easy. I took a picture of it. So we are here, Bunut Bolong, and so we need to continue up to Mangisan, and then it's a little bit more up. So I have no idea what's exactly there, but that's what we're about to find out. So this is actually one of my favorite places to visit, like the local warungs. Like we met someone from Jakarta now who's been working with an American oil company for a long time, and it's like you meet the most surprising people here that have been traveling for a long time, and like they're, even if this is actually like quite a touristic spot, it's still like not that many tourists really from abroad are coming here. So it's really cool that we ended up here, and I'm happy that the arrow ended up here, because I actually wanted to visit in this area, but it was kind of like I was always like going past it. But now we are heading up the last final bit here, and we're just up the road here. We're about to find a spot. Well, it looks like that from the map, but we'll see. I'm feeling awake from the coffee. I never drink coffee, never been a fan of it, but I chug through it, and it's really, really strong coffee. Alright, so now we're heading up the last final bit, and let's actually head to where the arrow is. After finishing up on the last few minutes of the journey, Zen-Master Max had a message he had to channel through to you guys. So pay close attention, because this was long in the making. Oh great Zen-Master, oh Zen-Master, give us your 3 wisdoms to life.
Who dares wake the Zen Master? Tell me your name.
It is I, Ole Stories.
Ole Stories.
Yes.
You wish to know the 3 things of life. Number 1, seek only adventure and never stop until your heart is fulfilled. Number 2, not everyone who's nice is your friend. And number 3, my anaconda don't want none unless you got buns, hon.
Yeah! We freaking made it, guys. We are basically at the point where the arrow hit. It's like, it's hard to like pinpoint exactly where it is, but it don't have a name. But like we're in the mountains exactly where it hit.
We threw a dart and we're here.
Look, we got to see all the way in the distance. We're far up into the mountains. So thank you, great Zen-Master, for your wisdom.
It's been a pleasure. Until next time.
So that has been our journey. This is Max.
Max takes on the world.
And I'm All the Stories. And make sure you guys subscribe, as I will be posting a lot of videos in the coming months ahead. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.